If you're wondering whether or not you need to talk to an attorney about a car wreck, the answer is yes, you do. Any good personal injury attorney will give you a free consultation with no commitment, no pressure. I see folks all the time who come to me and they describe that they're in a car wreck and here's the offer that the insurance company's made. They want to know if it's fair, and I will give them my opinion for free, absolutely every time. The concern I have are those people who come to me after they've settled their case and say, hey, is that settlement I just reached a good one? At that time I say, it doesn't matter. You can't do anything about it at that point. So talk to an attorney before you settle your case so you know whether or not you should and if you're being treated fairly by the insurance company. One question we get a lot is, after a wreck, how do I get a rental car? Well, the short version is if there's an argument about who's at fault, you may not be able to get a rental car from the other person's insurance company because they're saying it's your fault and we aren't required to give you one. Many people don't have rental car coverage on their own insurance, and so in many cases you may not be able to get a rental car. But if it's a clear fault wreck, so you're rear-ended by somebody else, or the other person gets a ticket, for example, then you should be able to talk to the other insurance company and demand to get a rental car, and they should give you one until your car is repaired or they've made you a fair property value offer on your car.